Vivo X Fold 3 and X Fold 3 Pro just launched yesterday. Superb display, thin and lightweight in design, flagship camera setup, fast charging and many more. Today I am going to show you in-depth review of Vivo X Fold 3 and X Fold 3 Pro. I've already uploaded unboxing and first impression videos for both phones. If you haven't watched them yet, you can find the links in the description below or on the card above. Hey guys, Mikey from TechMakey. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. So, here we have the Vivo X Fold 3 and the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. In my first impressions, both phones feel lightweight, which is surprising for folding screen phones. Even compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, they weigh less. In fact, they're even lighter than the previous generation, the Vivo X Fold 2. So, what's the actual weight? The Vivo X Fold 3 weighs around 219 grams, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max weighs about 221 grams when unfolded. The phone is just 4.65mm thick, and when folded, it's 10.2mm thick, which is really thin. As for the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro, it's 5.2mm thick when unfolded and 11.2mm when folded, weighing about 236 grams. However, compared to the Huawei Mate X5 foldable phone, it's a bit heavier. So, that's the Vivo X Fold 3 series for you, coming in with a lightweight and thin design this time. Let's first take a look at the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. The most striking part of the phone is its camera setup. Although the design of the camera module looks similar to the previous generation, it's noticeably larger this time. That's because this time, the main camera comes with a larger sensor size of 1.3 inches, the OV50H main sensor. Additionally, there's a secondary OV64B3X zoom sensor included. Furthermore, there's a third 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor included. You can pause the video here to take a closer look at the specs. Compared to the previous generation, namely the X Fold 2, there's going to be a significant improvement in photography. In the X Fold 3 Pro, photos exhibit much better detail, and the overall presentation of the pictures is quite impressive. Moreover, the contrast in the photos captured by the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is notably high. The pictures appear more layered, indicating an improvement in the quality of the main camera. In this sample shot, the wide aperture results in a natural background blur, effectively highlighting the subject. Additionally, the green color reproduction appears more natural. You can see a photo taken at a 70mm focal length here, where the picture quality is quite impressive, with natural colors. In this image, the balance of light and shadow is particularly good, enhancing the subject. In daylight conditions, you can see a photo taken with 10x zoom, which turns out to be quite usable. The telephoto lens capability is impressive in the X Fold 3 Pro, allowing for clear zoomed-in shots. The camera interface is similar to the Vivo X100 Pro, where you can quickly switch between multiple focal lengths, providing a smooth experience. Here, you can view portrait photos taken at full focal lengths of 24mm, 35mm, 50mm, and 100mm. You can also observe portrait effects, which render human portraits more accurately. Naturally, photos look better when you capture them. The Vivo X Fold 3 also features the Vivo V3 image chip, similar to the Vivo X100 Pro, which enhances its video capture capabilities. You can shoot 4K portrait videos with it and even add beauty filters and different cinematic styles. The sharpness in videos is quite impressive, and the edges of subjects in portrait photos appear perfect. Moreover, you can later edit these photos, reselect the focus, and adjust the bokeh effect. Finding such a good camera in a foldable phone is quite rare, but the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro brings upgrades in camera quality along with improved performance. This year's flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, powers the phone, customized by Vivo. Additionally, Vivo has added a built-in security assistant unit to protect the owner's privacy and security. You can see a security animation whenever a new user adds a password or fingerprint, ensuring enhanced security. Moreover, the processor is powerful, coupled with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. The folding screen also features improved heat dissipation over a larger area. Even during gaming on the main screen, you don't feel much heat, leading to enhanced performance and reduced power consumption. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro also receives upgrades in its screen, marking the most significant improvement compared to the previous generation. While the screen size remains unchanged, the overall quality has been enhanced. The outer screen measures 6.53 inches, while the main screen is 8.03 inches. The resolution of the outer screen has been increased to 1172 by 2748 pixels, resulting in a pixel density increase from 419 ppi to 457 ppi, nearly achieving a 1.5K display. The outer screen is equipped with BOE technology featuring Q9 luminescent material, providing a local peak brightness of up to 4500 nits. On the other hand, the main screen boasts a resolution of 2200 by 2480 pixels and a pixel density of 412 ppi, utilizing Samsung's E7 light-emitting material. Additionally, the inner screen also achieves a remarkable peak brightness of 4500 nits and features an anti-reflective coating. Now, turning to the battery, the Vivo X Fold 3 series inherits the Blue Ocean battery technology from the Vivo X100 series, which offers smaller size and higher density, resulting in larger capacity. In the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro, you get a massive 5700 mAh battery, making it the highest capacity battery in a foldable phone to date. Looking at the battery life test, with fixed brightness at 200 nits and volume at 50%, playing a 4K video on the main screen for 60 minutes consumes 6% of the battery, browsing for 60 minutes consumes 16%, and playing Honor of Kings for 60 minutes consumes 18%. This indicates the presence of a large capacity battery that alleviates battery life anxiety. Speaking of charging, the phone supports 100 watts wired charging. Additionally, it supports 50 watts wireless charging. Just like in previous Vivo X Fold series, this one also features an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, ensuring reliable security. So, not only do you get upgrades in camera and battery performance, but also significant software optimizations. The phone offers a user-friendly interface resembling a small table, enhancing the overall user experience. Moreover, bending the phone slightly activates the split-screen mode automatically, making multitasking more convenient. Furthermore, it also features a small window screenshot function, allowing you to crop and drag the image to another app for copying. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro supports Vivo Office Suite, enabling easy file transfer and interconnection with Windows or Mac devices. Additionally, it can function as a remote control for Mac PCs and even be used as a secondary screen for your Mac. Overall, Origin OS comes with numerous improvements, enhancing the user experience. Now, let's talk about the differences between the Vivo X Fold 3 Standard Edition and the Pro Edition. Firstly, in the standard version, you won't get the chip-level security feature available in the Pro Edition. However, in terms of appearance, both phones look almost identical. Moving on to the camera, the main difference lies in the main camera sensor. In the X Fold 3 Standard Edition, you'll find a 50-megapixel Sony IMX920 sensor with a slightly smaller 1.49-inch sensor size compared to the Pro version. This means that the camera setup in the Standard Edition is slightly downgraded compared to the Pro variant. However, the standard version of the phone is lighter in weight compared to the Pro variant. Furthermore, the Vivo X Fold 3 Standard Edition comes with a 5500 mAh battery, whereas the Pro variant boasts a slightly larger 5700 mAh battery. Additionally, the Standard Edition lacks wireless charging and an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. However, in its unfolded state, the phone maintains a slim profile with a thickness of only 4.65 mm and a weight of 219 grams, which is even lighter than the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Honor Magic Vs 2. The weight distribution of the phone is also well balanced, providing a comfortable grip. In terms of feel, it is considered better than the Vivo X100 and Oppo Find X7, and it's also more affordable compared to the Pro variant. The base variant of the Vivo X Fold 3 starts at 69.99 Chinese yuan in China, which is around £768 in the UK or approximately $970 in the USA. On the other hand, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro starts at 99.99 Chinese yuan in China, which is around £1,097 in the UK or about $1,385 in the USA. In conclusion, Vivo's foldable series this time around offers lightweight designs, making them easy to hold. The performance is superb, complemented by huge batteries that provide excellent longevity. Moreover, the software optimization enhances the overall user experience, making Vivo's foldable phones a compelling choice. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.